Welcome back to my channel. My name is Luna and today I will show you how I do my own Gel X nails. First, sizing the nail tips. I am picking the nail tip which cover my nail bed side wall to another side wall. If your nail bed is between two sizing, picking the bigger one and file the side off until it fits perfect on your nail bed. I am using Yogo Zombie Base Gel. It is really good. I put it inside of the nail tip. Apply the nail tip on the nail bed. Slowly in this process because you don't want to flood your cuticle or have an air bubble in there. Flash curl real quick to lock the nail tip into place. And after done all of this, don't forget to fully curl. Mostly product I use today is from Sweetie Nail Supply, and I will make sure I link everything down below in my description box. Don't forget to check it out because I have the discount code. I put the nail tips slightly farther from my cuticles. Now I have to blend it with my natural nails. I am using the nail file with sanding band to file down the edge of the nail tip, make it seamless with my natural nails. I will buffing my nails after this to make the gel polish stay long lasting. Using acetone to help with retention. Acetone will melt down the nail tips and blend it in with my natural nails. To make my nails stronger, I will put the builder gel on top of it, but you can skip this part. Using Doughy Clear Gel which is vegan and HEMA free. I am using Doughy base gel, applying all on my nails. And the star of the show is Show Me Career Twinkle Pendant. I will using 3 colors today, starting with TWO2 on every nails. My nail theme today is Star in the Sky. I will have a lot of stars today and have some gem on it. I think it will turn out really cute. Adding lilac color TWO4 on half of my nails and use the brush to blend the color in. Adding pink TWO1 and blend, blend, and blend. I don't feel like to drawing today, so I use the sticker instead. This sticker is cute, but it really don't want to stay on my nails for some reason. Using Doughy clear gel as rhinestone glue. Last step to secure my cute nails. I am applying top gel from Doughy. Put it on all my nails and make sure it's covered the gems. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe me. And again, everything I used today I will link down below in my description box, so don't forget to check it out. See you next time!